Welcome to Quiz Monarch. Do you know which doctor treats bones or who performs brain surgery? Let's find out how well you know the world of medical experts. Which medical professional specializes in treating bone and joint issues? Orthopedic surgeon. Who is responsible for diagnosing and treating dental problems? Dentist. Which type of doctor manages vision care and prescribes glasses or lenses? Optometrist. A patient with skin disorders should consult a dermatologist. Which doctor provides healthcare for infants, children and adolescents? Pediatrician. Who is a specialist in diagnosing and treating heart-related conditions? Cardiologist. What is the title of a medical professional who treats animals? Veterinarian. A specialist dealing with disorders of the brain and nervous system is a neurologist. Expectant mothers are typically under the care of a gynecologist. Mental health conditions like anxiety or schizophrenia are treated by a psychiatrist. What do we call a doctor who treats the lungs? Pulmonologist. Which specialist is trained to treat various types of cancer? Oncologist. Who treats diseases related to hormonal imbalances and glands? Endocrinologist. What do we call a doctor who treats kidney problems? Nephrologist. Who treats conditions related to the urinary tract system? Urologist. What do we call a doctor who treats the digestive system? Gastroenterologist. Which specialist uses medical imaging to assist in diagnosis? Radiologist. Who diagnoses and manages allergic conditions such as hay fever or asthma? Allergist. Which professional is trained to perform operations and surgical procedures? Surgeon. Who typically handles initial treatment in emergency situations? Emergency physician. What do we call a doctor who treats joint and autoimmune diseases? Rheumatologist. Who analyzes tissue, cell and blood samples in a lab setting? Pathologist. What do we call a doctor who treats blood-related disorders? Hematologist. ENT specialists focus on which areas of the body? Ear, nose, throat. Who specializes in the care of pregnant women and childbirth? Obstetrician. Which medical expert administers anesthesia before and during surgeries? Anesthesiologist. What do we call a doctor who treats the feet? Who provides medical care specifically for elderly patients? Geriatrician. Who examines dead bodies to determine cause of death in legal cases? Forensic pathologist. What do we call a doctor who treats speech and language problems? Speech therapist. Fertility issues in couples are handled by a reproductive specialist. Who performs surgeries on the brain, spine and nervous system? Neurosurgeon. How many did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments. Challenge your friends and test their knowledge too. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quizzes.